594 divided by 2 using partial quotient. First, set up your equation by putting your 2 on the outside, your 594 on the inside, and your multiplication facts if you need them. We also are going to need our steps of divide, multiply, subtract, repeat, and check. So let's start with our first step of divide. We're going to start dividing in our greatest place value. That's our hundreds place. So if we look at our times tables, if we have 5 babies and 2 people, every person could only get 2 babies. But really that 2 is 200 because it's in the hundreds place. Then we will multiply. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 2 zeros gives you 400. Then we'll subtract, leaving us with 194. Now we're ready to repeat back to division. So let's think about what place value we're in. We already used the hundreds, so now we're in the tens, but we have some hundreds left over that we still need to use. So what's the closest we can get to 19 without going over? That's 18. We counted 9 times to get there. But remember that we are in the tens place, so that's really worth 90. Now we're ready to multiply. 90 times 2 is 180. Subtract, you're left over with 14. Now we're ready to repeat because we just did our subtraction. We have 14 babies and 2 people because now we're in our ones place with our leftover tens. Closest we could get is 14. We got that by skip counting 7 times because 7 times 2 is 14. When you subtract, you end up with 0. Do we have any place values left to repeat with? Nope. So let's go on to our last step of check. Is 0 smaller than 2? Sure is. And since we have 0 there, we don't even need to write that remainder. So our final answer comes from right here. It would be 297.